One of the most common questions that anybody with hair loss has is, when should I seek treatment? The biggest question is, when should I get a hair transplant? As soon as you start to notice hair loss, you should see a professional. Hair loss is something we can slow down and reverse if you start early. If you start late, there's no way you're ever going to slow it down or reverse it. If you consider what causes hair loss, it's an aging process, it's inflammation. And so hair will grow, rest, fall out, regrow. And during the process between growing and resting, there's an inflammatory phase. And that inflammatory phase attacks stem cells. And eventually those stem cells will be obliterated, wiped out, and you can't get a new cycle. It's very important to start some form of anti-aging medicine as soon as possible. One of the other things to always bear in mind is, when should I start a hair transplant? And you know, it would be my goal if nobody ever had another hair transplant. I'd be thrilled. You know, we're more focused on keeping you away from surgery than we are on getting you involved in surgery. There is a point when your hair loss gets to a significant amount, we can't reverse it. You really have no choice at that point other than to seek surgery. So look into treatment at a young age, as soon as you start to notice hair loss, and hopefully we can keep you from the surgical pathway.